In this video, I will consider one numerical on Quine-McCluskey method. Using Quine-McCluskey method, find the minimal form of. So this is the given SOP equation. We are supposed to find the minimal, or we have to simplify this using Quine-McCluskey method. So here SOP is given. These all are the product terms. So first I will represent each product terms in terms of min terms. That is, so here we have 4 variables, that is W, X, Y and Z. So this is with respect to the min term. I can write it as, wherever there is a complement, write it as 0, and if there is no complement, write it as 1. So W is nothing but 1, X bar means 0, Y bar means 0, Z means 1. So this is corresponding to min term M9, 1001, decimal representation of 9. Similarly, W bar X, Y bar Z is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 0. This is with respect to min term 4. Similarly, here we have W X bar, Y bar, Z bar, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, which is min term 8. Next we have W bar X, Y, Z, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, which is M7. So here we have W bar X bar, Y bar, Z bar, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, which is M0. So wxyz is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1, which is M15. Next we have W X bar YZ, that is 1, 0, 1, 1, which is 11. Next we have W bar XYZ bar, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, which is M6. Finally we have W bar X bar Y Z bar, that is 0, 0, 1, 0, which is nothing but M2. The next step in Quine-McCluskey method is, we are supposed to represent these numbers into different groups. I will tell you how to do the grouping. Let me consider, I will call it as step 1. So first I will make group 0, I will call it as group 0. So in group 0, I will consider the numbers which are having only zeros. So here M0, that is it is having 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, that is group 0, that is 0 number, which is 0, 0, 0, 0. Let me write 4 variables W, X, Y and Z. So group 0 is over. Now let me write the numbers which are having single 1. So here in M4 there is single 1, then in M8 there is single 1, and in M2 there is single 1. Let me write 2, 4 and 8 in group 1. That is, in group 1, 2, 4 and 8. That is 0, 0, 1, 0. 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. So now let me consider group 2. So in group 2, I will consider the numbers which are having 2 ones. So here M9 is having 2 ones. Similarly, here we have M6 which is having 2 ones. Let me write 6 and 9 in group 2. That is 6 and 9. That is 0, 1, 1, 0. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now let me write group 3. So in group 3, I will write the numbers which are having 3 ones. So here in 7 we have 3 ones. Similarly in 11 there are 3 ones. Let me write 7 and 11. That is 7 and 11. 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. 11 is 1, 0, 1, 1. Now let me write group 4. So in group 4, I will represent the numbers which are having all ones. So here we have 4 ones. That is 15 is fall under group 4. 15, which is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the first step. in Quine-McCluskey method. Now let me write step 2. So in Quine-McCluskey method, now we supposed to compare the each number in group 0 with each number of group 1, and the number which is differ by 1 bit, those numbers we supposed to write in step 2. For example, now let me compare 0 with 2. If I compare 0 and 2, here it is 0 0 0 0, here it is 0 0 1 0. So here in this bit it is differ by 1 bit. So we supposed to consider 0 and 2, that is 0 and 2 we have considered. These numbers we have to write here, that is it is 0 0. So here it is differ by 1 bit, that is dash, and next number is same, that is 0. The number which is differ by 1 bit, there we have to write dash, that dash indicates don't care. Similarly, now let me compare 0 and 4. If we compare 0 and 4, it is differ in second bit, that is 0 and 4, here it is differ in this bit. So here it is 0, here it is 1, rest two numbers are same. Now let me write it as 0 dash 0 0. Next, if I compare 0 and 8, it is differ by 1 bit, that is in MSB, that is 1, that is the D dash 0 0 0. So thus the comparison between group 0 and group 1 is done. We have to put one line here. Now similarly, let me compare each number of group 1 with group 2. Again we have to find the number which is differ by 1 bit. Let me compare 2 and 6. This is 2, this is 6. So here it is differ by 0 0 1 0, it is 0 1 1 0, it is differ by this bit. Let me write 2 and 6, that is 0 dash 1 0. Rest all numbers should be written as it is. Now let me compare 2 and 9. So in 2 and 9 it is differ by more than 1 bit, because here at MSB it is differ by 1 bit, again here it is differ by 1 bit, here it is differ by 1 bit. We should ignore it. Now compare 4 and 6. So in 4 and 6, first bit is 0, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is differ by 1 bit. Again next number is same. Let me consider 4 and 6, that is 0 dash, sorry, 0 1 dash 0, 0 1 dash 0. Now let me compare 8 and 9, 4 and 9. So it is differ by more than 1 bit. Now let me compare 8 and 6. Again it is differ by more than 1 bit. Ignore it. Compare 8 and 9. It is differ by 1 0 0 dash. 8 and 9, that is 1 0 0 dash. Put one line here. Now let me compare group 2, each number of group 2 with group 3. Let me compare 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 is differ by 1 bit. 6 and 7, that is 0 1 1 dash, 0 1 1 dash. Let me compare 6 and 11. It is differ by more than 1 bit. Now compare 9 and 7. It is differ by more than 1 bit. Compare 9 and 11. It is differ by 1 bit, that is 1 0 dash 1. 9 and 11, that is 1 0 dash 1. This is done. Now compare group 3 with group 4. So 7 and 15 is differ by 1 bit, that is 1 1 dash 1 1 1 dash 1 1 1. Similarly, if we compare 11 and 15, so again it is 1 0, and here we have 1, that is 1 dash 1 1. So with this we have completed step 2. Similarly, now we should go for step 3. So now before I proceed, so here we have considered 0 and 2. Put the check mark for 0 and 2. Put check mark for 0 and 2. Similarly, 0 and 4 is covered, that is 0 and 4. Put the check mark. 0 and 8, it is 8. 2 and 6, 2 is already check mark. 6, 4 and 6, we have 4 and 6 is done. 8, 9, that is 8 is done. 9, 6, 7, that is 6 and 7, 9, 11, 9 and 11, we have 7 and 15. So here we can see that, so all the min terms are covered in step 2. So this process should be continued again. So in step 3, let me write step 3. Again I will compare. Now I will call it this as group 0, group 1, this I will call it as group 2, this I will call it as group 3. Now again I will compare each number of group 0 with group 1. So let me compare 0, 2 and 2, 6. So here it is differ by more than 1 bit, so we should ignore. Now let me compare 0, 2 and 4, 6. So here we can see that 0, 0 dash 0, here we have 0, 1 dash 0. So here we have dash, here we have dash, 0, 0 is same. So it is differ by this bit. So let me write it as 0, 2 and 4, 6. That we supposed to write here 0, 2, 4, 6. Now let me write the number, that is 0 dash. So already there is a dash and next number is 0. Similarly, compare 0, 2 with 8, 9. So it is more than 1 bit, should ignore it. Now similarly compare 0, 4 with 2, 6. So here we can see that in 0, 4 and 2, 6, here second bit is dash, here also second bit is dash. First number is same, next it is differ by this bit. So I can write 0, 4, 2, 6, 0, 4, 2, 6. That is 0 dash dash 0, 0 dash dash 0. So similarly, let me compare 0, 4 with 8, 9. It is differ by more than 1 bit. Thus we have compared each number of group 0 with group 1. Put the line. Now similarly compare group 1 with group 2. So if we compare 2, 6 with 6, 7, it is differ by more than 1 bit. 2, 6 and 9, 11 is differ by more than 1 bit. Ignore it. Compare 4, 6 with 6, 7. So here also it is differ by more than 1 bit. Ignore it. 4, 6 and 9, 11 is more than 1 bit. Ignore it. Similarly 8, 9, 6, 7 is also not possible. 8, 9, 9, 11 is also not possible. Thus there is no any single bit difference number between group 1 and group 2. Let me compare 2 and 3. 6, 7, 7, 15. It is more than 1 bit. Ignore it. 6, 7, 11, 15 also more than 1 bit. Similarly 9, 11 also not possible. So in step 3, we have considered the min term 0, 2, 4, 6. Put the check mark here. 0, 2 and we have 4, 6. Similarly 0, 4, 2, 6. That is 0, 4 and here we have 2, 6. So the next step in Quine-McCluskey method is, here we can observe that few of the numbers are having check mark, few of the numbers don't have check marks. The numbers which don't have check marks, those are known as prime implicants. We have to write all prime implicants now. That is, let me write the prime implicants. List of prime implicants. So here we can observe that 0, 8 is not having check mark. So this is one of the prime implicant, that is 0, 8. Let me write the corresponding number, that is dash 0, 0, 0. That is, it is dash 0, 0, 0. So dash 0, 0, 0 is with respect to, so first number is wxyz. So dash means we have to ignore. So it is xyz. So let me write xyz. So similarly, next number is 8 and 9. Its value is, so first number is with respect to wxyz. So here it is wx bar y bar. So we are supposed to write 8 and 9. That is wx bar y bar. That is wx bar y bar. Next we have 6, 7. 6, 7 is with respect to w bar xy. 6, 7 w bar xy. Similarly, we have 9, 11, which is w x bar z. W x bar z. That is 9, 11, which is also not having check mark. Here 7, 15 and 11, 15 are also not having check mark. Let me write 7, 15, which is x, y, z. 7, 15, which is x, y and z. Similarly, 11 and 15 is w, y, z. We have w, y, z, that is 11 and 15. So here in step 3 also it is not having any check mark. So here we can observe that 0246 or 0426 are having the same number, that is 0 dash dash 0. Here also we have 0 dash dash 0. We are supposed to write only once as it contains same number. So I will ignore one number. I will write the only one number, that is 0246. So it covers the min term 0246. So which is with respect to, this is w, x, y, z. So it is w bar, z bar, which is w bar, z bar. So in Quine-McCluskey method, the next step is we have to write the prime implicant table. So in prime implicant table, the first write down all the numbers or all the min terms. So here these all are the min terms. So these all min terms I will write here. So we have 0, 2, 4, 8. So here we have 0, 2, 4, 8. Then we have 6, 9, 7, 11. 6, 9, 7, 11. Then we have 15. Then we have 15. So now along with the rows, we have to write all list of prime implicants which we have marked here. That is 0, 8, 8, 9. So here it is 0, 8, 8, 9. Then we have 0, 8 is with respect to x, y, z. Let me write that also. X, y, z. 8, 9 is w x bar, y bar. W x bar, y bar. Then we have 6, 7. 6, 7. So 6, 7 is w bar xy. W bar xy. Then we have 9, 11. 9, 11, which is w x bar z. W x bar z. Then we have 7, 15. 7, 15, it is x, y, z. Then we have 11, 15. 11, 15. So 11, 15 is w, y, z. W, y, z. Next is 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6, which is w bar, z bar. W bar, z bar. So now in Quine-McCluskey method, here it covers the min term 0 and 8. Put cross mark in corresponding columns. 0 and 8. Here it is 0 column. Here it is 8. Put the cross mark like this. Then we have 8, 9. It is 8. Here we have 9. Next 6, 7. This is 6. This is 7. Next we have 9, 11. This is 9. This is 11. We have 7, 15. This is 7. Here we have 15. 11, 15. 11 and 15. 0, 2, 4, 6. This is 0, 2, 4 and here it is 6. So now in prime implicant table, we have to observe the column which is having only one cross mark. So here in this column we have two cross mark. In this column we have only one cross mark. Put the circle for that cross mark. Here also we have only one cross mark. Then here we have 2 cross mark, here also 2, here also 2. In rest all columns we have 2 cross mark. So this is known as the columns which is having single cross mark, those are known as essential prime implicants. So this is essential prime implicant, that is W bar Z bar is essential prime implicant. 4 numbers, let me put the check mark for those numbers. This is 0, 2, 4 and 6. So let me write the result, that is F is equal to, so this is essential prime implicant, which is first one is W bar Z bar. So now we have to cover the remaining min terms. So here 0, 2, 4 and 6 already covered. So now the remaining are 7, 8, 7, 11 and 15. So now if I consider 9 and 11, that is if I consider 9 and 11, so it will cover this 9 and 11. So let me write these numbers, this variable here, that is plus W x bar Z. So 9 and 11 are covered. The remaining min terms are 8, 7, 8 and 7. So let me check 8, 7 and 15. Let me check which covers 8, 7 and 15. By choosing this 7 and 15, it will cover 2 more min terms, that is 7 and 15. So this will come into the result, that is x, y, z. So now the remaining min term is 8. So to cover this 8, either I have to select x, y, z, here it is 0, 8, or I have to cover 8, 9. Let me cover 8, 9. Any one can be taken. So if I consider this min term will be covered. So we are supposed to consider this variable or this product term in a result, that is W x bar y bar. So this is the final expression, that is final reduced expression, and this is done using Quine-McCluskey method. So now I will solve the same problem using K-map, and I will try. So now I will reduce the given expression using K-map, and I will verify whether same result I will get or not. So let me simplify using K-map. So variables are wx, y and z. The min terms are 0, 2, 4, 8, that is 0, 2, 4, 8. Next we have 6, 9, 7, that is 6, 9, 7. Then we have 11, 15, that is 11 and 15. So we are supposed to put 0 in remaining cells. So here I can make, this is 1, 1, this is 1, 1. I can make one quad here. This is 1. Let me write the value of this, that is here the common term is W bar, and here the common term is 0, that is Z bar. Now let me make this as a pair. The value of this will be, it is Wx bar, here the common term is 0, that is Y bar. Now let me do the grouping of these two ones. So value of this will be, here the common term is x, here it is yz. It is x, yz. So now here this one can be covered either with this or with this. Let me cover with this. So value of this will be, here we have wx bar z. Wx bar z. Now let me compare with the previous result. Here we have w bar z bar. So we have w bar z bar. Then we have wx bar z, wx bar z. Then we have xyz. This is my xyz. Then we have wx bar y bar, wx bar y bar. Thus we have got the same result. This is how Quine-McCluskey method can be used to simplify the given equation. Thank you for watching.